the gospel. God sends His Son into the world, the God-man, really man, really God, really human, really divine, lives a perfect life, fulfills the whole law, dies in the place of sinners intentionally, absorbs all the wrath of God against those who believe in Him, takes away all their guilt, forgives all their sins, rises from the dead triumphant over death and hell and Satan, ascends, rules with power from on high, will come again, give eternal life, raise from the dead all those who've trusted in Him. There is no better news